Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Madhu Pathshala. This is me Madhu Educator. Today I will teach you most important topic. The topic is profit and loss. Now get started this topic. Find profit and loss. Firstly, we have the remember two things. So things is first is selling price, second is cost price. Halfly see the called him SP, then second is CP. What is the cost price and selling price? Fine. So definition is the price at which article is sold, called by selling price. Second is cost price, the price at which the article is purchased. Fine. This one is the trick. Fine. We have the trick. That is your mind and quickly the answer. Fine. Okay. So now get started. Trick. First it is the loss. What is the loss and what is called of loss? Fine. So first is SP less than CP, means CP is greater than SP, so called is loss. Fine. Loss is CP minus SP. Fine. Then second is profit. Profit means SP is greater than CP, means CP is less than SP, so it is profit. Fine. This condition is very easy. Fine. So profit is SP minus CP. Fine. Now third trick is profit and loss is always counting on CP. CP is 100%. Fine. CP is 100%. So loss percentage is what? CP minus SP upon CP into 100. This is a counting of loss. Fine. This one profit, the counting of SP minus CP. Nice. SP minus CP. Fine. Profit is SP minus CP into 100 upon CP. Fine. So CP is only 100%. CP is only 100%. Similarly, the same formula, profit and loss. CP is 100% because loss 100%, CP minus SP, that the loss, it will be count CP into 100. It will be count CP into 100%. Fine. Now the very important things. So let's get started this example, profit and loss. Fine. What is the question saying? Question number first. Now started. Now question number first is, one shopkeeper brought a fan for rupees 525 525 and sold it for rupees 575. What is his profit or loss? What is he profit or loss? Fine. So answer solve out. Solve the answer. Cost price of the fan is equal to 525. Fine. Then will be selling price of the fan what is 575. So the selling price is more than cost price. Fine. The selling price is the more than cost price. Fine. So is there was is profit. Fine. So there was is profit. Fine. Selling price more than cost price. Fine. So it is there was a profit. Fine. So as profit is equal to SP selling price minus cost price. Fine. So answer is 575 5 minus 525. Fine. So answer is 50 rupees. So the shopkeeper made a profit. So shopkeeper made a profit of rupees 50. Fine. So the shopkeeper made a profit of rupees 50. It is a card of profit questions. Fine. Next question. Balram bought a watch rupees 330 and sold it for rupees 250. So what was his profit or loss? Fine. So solve it. The cost price is what is? The cost price, the CP, cost price of the watch, which rupees 330. Fine. And second, the selling price of the watch 250. Fine. The selling price of the watch 330. Fine. The cost price of the watch 330. The selling price of the watch 250. Fine. So it is why CP is greater SP. Fine. CP is greater SP. Fine. So there was a loss. Fine. So there was a loss. So loss is SP minus CP minus SP. 330 minus 250. Fine. 330 minus 250. So it is loss 80 rupees. Fine. So it is 80 rupees. Next question. Fine. Next question. If an item was brought for rupees 900 and on selling it a loss of rupees 70 was incurred, then find the selling price. Solve. Cost price is 900 rupees. Loss is 70 rupees. Fine. So find the selling price. Price CP and loss, then क्या? Giving. Fine. Leaving and giving. ठीक. Giving. SP is equal to CP minus loss. Also this one is given, then loss and cost price. Fine. So cost price is 900 minus loss given is 70%, 70 rupees. So answer is 830. So selling price of the item. So selling price is of the item 830 rupees. Fine. Find this answer. No doubt. Profit and loss. Fine. Okay. Thank you watching this video and subscribe channel.